Thank you once again for joining us here. Math and Physics Machine. Proceeding with my student, Jenna. Okay, Jenna, welcome back. Let's have another example on how to simplify surds. Question says simplify. First example is which one? Root of 2, 2 brackets, thrice minus root of 2. The second example is 2 root of 5 plus 3 into 3 root of 5 minus 2. Then 2 root of 6 minus 3 squared. So solutions here. The first one, it's just like the way we multiply terms to enter into brackets. So you need to put the term inside the bracket. So let it get into the bracket by multiplying by the terms that are inside. So we shall have root of 2 going into brackets of 3 minus root of 2. This is the same as root of 2 times 3 minus root of 2 times root of 2. This will give us thrice root of 2 because 3 can't enter the bracket unless you've raised it to a power 2 minus square root of 2 times 2, rules of surds. So in this case, this result will become thrice root of 2 minus 2. Because this is root of 2 times 2 is the same as root of 4. Hence, this is our answer. So that's how far we can simplify it. Then the second one is a product of two surds which have addition and subtraction terms. So it requires you to bring skills of opening brackets. So we shall have to open brackets for 3 root 5 minus 2. So this term multiplies the whole of the bracket, which is 2 root 5 into 3 root 5 minus 2 plus 3 into 3 root 5 minus 2, which will give us 2 root 5 times 3 root 5. It is 2 root 5 times 3 root 5 minus 2 times 2 root 5 plus 3 times 3 root 5 minus 6. So this will take me to 6 root of 5 times 5 under the rules of surds minus 4 root of 5 plus 9 root of 5 minus 6. So this will take me to 6 times 5 minus plus 5 root of 5 minus 6. Hence 5 root 5 plus 30 minus 6. Therefore, our final answer is 5 root 5 minus 24. Sorry, plus 24. This is a plus.
Plus 24.
30 was a positive, right?
Yes.
Then the last category there of these illustrations is when we have a square. Like that one. Question 3, we have 2 root 6 minus 3 squared is the same as 2 root of 6 minus 3 times itself, 2 root of 6 minus 3. Split it like we have split the one before. 2 root of 6 into 2 root of 6 minus 3 into minus 3 into 2 root of 6 minus 3. Those big brackets for this one. When you open the brackets, we shall have 4 root of 36 minus 6 root of 6 minus 6 root of 6 plus 3. This 2 multiplies this 2 to give us the 4. The root 6 multiplies the root 6 to give us the 36.
36.
I hope you've seen how it has come about.
Yes.
So finally, I'll have 4 times 6 minus 6 root of 6 minus 6 root of 6. That's a 3. Hash 24 minus 12 root of 6 plus 3. This will take us to 24 plus 3, you get 27. 27 minus 12 root of 6. So finally, this has arrived at 27 minus 12 root of 6. We can factor it into 3 into 9 minus 4 of 6. When is that answer? Yeah, so basically, that is it. But there's one special thing also I need to mention. What if I have something of this nature? I have a surd like root 3 minus 1 multiplied by root 3 plus 1. When you open brackets, you get root 3 into root 3 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1. This will give us root 3 times root 3 is a 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus 1 minus 1. So this will give us a 3 minus 1 because this can be lost. And the answer is a what?
Yes.
2.
2.
To avoid this hassle, one may see these two brackets and say this is a difference of 2 squares. A difference of 2 squares would mean you get the square root of root 3 minus the square root of 1, which will give us 3 minus 1, and still the answer is 2. So in this case, we shall see this as what we shall be calling the conjugate. We shall call it the conjugate. Multiplying a surd by its conjugate. Whenever you multiply a surd by its conjugate, you shall have a difference of 2 squares induced. That is going to come a lot in what we shall call rationalization, which we hope to discover or to cover tomorrow. So today we can stop here. Then tomorrow we shall be back, God willing, for rationalization.
Okay.
Please, if you have a question, if not, you can take the screenshot. See you later for physics.
Okay. Thank you, teacher.